What's up, everybody? How are you doing? How are you on December 29th, Tuesday? Well, it could be Wednesday now, depending where you are. Actually, I don't even know if you get this. I don't know how this works. Well, YouTube maybe is universal. But how you doing? What's up? It's Tuck here. This is Stock Talk for Beginners. And we are approaching the end of the year of 2020. What a wild year, and what a crazy year to come, man. So I just finished watching my videos of my mentor, the guy that I give you all the information from, and now I'm going to present the information to you guys. Okay, and so we're going to be talking today about 3 different companies, and 2 of them I know are heavily invested. Well, one of them is whatever. I'm going to just say it the way I want to say it. So this is what we got going on. ARK Invest, I mention them all the time. Stocks that will be changed. Like, this stock could change. All right, I'm going to jump in it. Ticker symbol WK, workhorse. You know what that is. Everyone knows what workhorse is. Unfortunately, we've been waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. Jeez. It's horrible. All right, so let's talk about positivity, right? Because we need that. Workhorse is $20.77. All right. At the time of the film, it was $20.91, so it's dropping. It opened at $21.56. Workhorse has been trading between $15 and $30 over the last course of few months, and there's just been a lot of probably day trading going on, and there hasn't been much news, aka catalysts, involved with them, and so that's why we haven't seen much change. However, there's a big gap window, right? And it's at the bottom. Gap window meaning it's $20 right now, and the pie was 30. So where am I going? This is where I'm going. The most important thing for 2021 for the company of Workhorse is the USPS contract. I know. Believe me, I've been waiting too, and I got over it. I was like, you know what, Workhorse, I don't want to deal with you. I'm over you. We broke up. We're not together anymore. However, I might go back and get together with Workhorse again because of this reason, and I'm about to tell you. It's at $20 right now. And I'm doing the hand thing. I don't really care anymore. And it's this year, next year, 2021 is going to be a make it or break it for Workhorse. If this contract does not go through with Workhorse, evacuate and just leave it alone. Or hold on, I don't know. I can't even speculate that far. But let's just say the Workhorse contract does go through, all right? If that does happen, one analyst says that we can see Workhorse go from $20 to $26 to $27. Now, this is where I want to explain this really clear, and I hope I get it clear to you guys. If you buy Workhorse right now and at okay, let's just say a person buys Workhorse at $20 right now, and there's, this news about the USPS contract could be coming in 3 months, could be coming in 6 months. I don't see it any longer than that. And as we keep hearing little catalysts about the USPS Workhorse, I'm so tired of talking about it, it'll start going up more and more. more people get it, you know, attracted to it, and oh my god, I don't want to buy it. Get in on it before it breaks. Well, you know, by the time you get in on it and it's $30, it's already done its deal. So if you get in on it now, you might see a $10 upside to whatever, how many shares you buy, right? So you buy 5, you get $50. You can do the math for the future on other shares and buying. But needless to say, this is a good time to buy Workhorse. All right. If you can buy it now at $20 and just hold on to it, you can see it go up to $30 or plus, breaking new 52-week highs. I already mentioned that. Also, side note, if you didn't know this, ARK Invest is heavily invested in Workhorse, and they own 1.8 million shares of Workhorse as we go into the year of 2021. And let me just read myself and finalize the contract. We'll start seeing their, okay, so yeah. So as we go into 2021, and let's just say hypothetically, the contract goes through, then we can start seeing the real Workhorse start taking off and showing its true self of potential and go from 30, 35, 40, you know, back on up to where it was. Workhorse, wasn't it up to like $50 or something at one time? I don't know. All right. So that's the deal with that. I'm going to jump into gold. I'm going to jump into the next topic, or stock, ticker symbol RADE. That's Lordstown Motors, RIDE. And those of you that don't know this will know this now. Workhorse owns 10% of Lordstown Motors. So in theory, if you buy a Workhorse, you're buying Lordstown Motors, but you're not going to get the big upside swing. You got to buy both. And they're both pretty much the same price. Lordstown Motors, let me see what they're at right now. And that's RID. They're at $20.81, the same price. Give or take a few cents, all right? But Goldman Sachs said could surge over 30% from current levels. So 30%, that's probably $10. I don't know. I'm not doing the math right now. But the price target, he could see it happening is close to $31. That's a $10 upside if you get into it right now. So within the first 3 months, like I said. So there's not much catalyst going on. There's not much talk going on right now. So you can risk off of $20, $21 to buy this stock, or either stock or both stocks. You know, if you feel like you're a firm believer in, you know, these companies. Personally, on the side note, I don't think you're going to make a lot of gains off of this company. But I don't want to say that because it could change, but compared to other companies, you know, you can, I don't know, but whatever. Let's stay optimistic. Last stock, you're still watching, you better be, because this is the one that's going to be a good one. Its ticker symbol is bngo, and that is Bio-Nano Genomics. And that, I want to get this so I can show it to you. bngo. When I saw this, yeah, so like, check it out. Look at this graph. That's the week graph. Why is it like that? Well, I'll get into that. Oh, that was the day graph. There's the week graph. You can check it out yourself. But, so, getting into this. Today, it went up to $1.73. It went up 50%. Today, it went up 50% during market hours, and then in after hours it went up another 30%. So it went up a total of 84 cents roughly. That's a lot for penny stock. And it opened at 94 cents and its high was 150. Well, and then after hours it got to 173. What goes up, you can finish the rest, must come down, right? So when is the time to buy in on this stock? Do you want to buy right now and ride up the rest of this and then have a huge crash? Because what's going to happen, according to Dave, is that there's he really likes to get into the specifics of the stocks, and so I'm going to tell you a part of that and the specifics. And when you look and research into stocks, you want to find out who's investing into it and how much percentage of them are investing. So institutions, all right, how much percentage are heavily invested into this stock? 5.6. Is that a lot? No. Okay. How about people like you and I? They call them insider something traders. But we're not insider traders, but traders, whatever. 0.06. Okay. These two numbers don't leave me feeling really well inside my stomach. And I would have not seen this not for the fact that if I watched this video and saw those numbers in front of my face. So there could be an offering coming soon. So this is a stock I would strongly suggest you put on your watch list, because, man, if you can just, look, you could watch the stock go up right now, and tomorrow it'll drop down to like 150. I'm just throwing out numbers, 150, and I'll be like, oh my god, now I can buy in. Well, I'm gonna tell you what the good buy price is, and if you can get the stock and wait till it gets to $1, so there might be an offering. So someone might say, hey, we want to offer you this, or the offering happens, I should say. The offering happens, and then so you'll see maybe the stock run up, and you can catch the tail end of the run up right now, but, really have a high risk off of that, because the offering could happen this week. I don't know. I need to do more research about it. I'm authentic. I tell you the real truth. I don't BS you. So I don't know. But if you look at that week and today, that's pretty good. That's a good looking graph. That's a solid looking graph. Even though it's somewhat consolidated in a little bit because of the news of what's been on. And there's just millions, the volume is in the millions of trading, which is a really good sign. That tells you there's a lot of people heavily involved in this stock. I wish I knew about this stock when it was in like 33 cents, but the stock back in a year ago got to $1.09. So for pretty much all of COVID up until right now, literally, yeah, from March 16th, it's been under $1, way under $1, 27 cents. And then it broke out with this new news that came out, and I'll read you the news to tell you what it is, because I took a picture of it, and it said that BioNano client Proxys became first CAP accredited lab to offer Sapphire-based LDT. I don't know what that means. That's lab talk. But commercialized micro-cap focused on genome analysis. BioNano Genomics, ticker symbol BNGO, is up 21.1% in above average volume after the company announced that its customer PRAXIS Genomics received accreditation from the College of American Pathologists. The endorsement makes Proxy the first CAP accredited LCIA certified diagnostic lab in the U.S. to offer laboratory developed tests based on, I don't know the rest because it's cut off, but that just is a lot of mumbo jumbo jargon to make it fluffy and puffy. That's other stuff. But hey, you know what? Good news is good news, and we like good news, right? I mean, we've been just beaten down, and you know, but to see that, I'm not really, gonna look at work. Honestly, to be real, I'm not really gonna look at Workhorse and ride. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll buy one. Maybe I won't, but maybe I'll watch someone buy one and then like watch them watch it and see how it goes, or something like that. I don't know. But I hope you guys liked this video. I did spend some time doing it. Oh my god, it's 16 minutes long. Shit. Sorry. I'll try to wrap it up sooner. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Tell other people about Tuck Notes. I just spread the love, please. I could use it. I love the views. And you can follow me on Instagram at TuckerMLO. And my cat, brain fart, my blog is #Tucksblog. I'm so confused. All right. I love you and have a great night. Talk to you later.